Today, Sarah and I are going to make some Saltimbocca alla Romana, which is typical to Roman cuisine, but has also become very much of a nationally loved secondo. I'm just going to spread a little bit of water on there because when I pound the meat down, to make it nice and thin, it just slides better across the meat. So you can see that these are nice and thin. These are veal cutlets. Look how nice and thin they are. This is how it's supposed to be. And we cut any excess off on the edges. Otherwise, since they're so thin, they will just kind of shrivel up in uneven ways. And now we're going to place a slice of prosciutto on it. Prosciutto di Parma, prosciutto crudo. We're gonna place it right on here. And on top of that, we will put a sage leaf. Normally they are very nice and large, but this time in the garden we just found them about this size. But sometimes leaves can be really wide. So we're going to place this on top and take a toothpick and secure the prosciutto with the veal and with the sage leaf. So we're going to keep doing this until all our veal cutlets are nicely covered. And we don't want to salt this very much. We'll put a little bit of pepper on there just because the prosciutto is already really salty in itself. So let's put this leaf on here. Let's see, maybe a prettier one without holes. Let's remove that. And then once again, we're going to put a toothpick right through it. We're going to do this with all of them. Just a little bit of pepper on all of them. And then we're going to dredge them in flour, just on one side. Now, what does Saltimbocca mean? That literally means jump in the mouth. So we're going to put it in the flour and then shake off the excess. And do the same with all of them. So they are so good that they just want to jump into your mouth to be enjoyed. Today we're using the pizza cucina where the fire is below and above the stove top is heating up with our frying pan. We're going to put the butter in as well as the oil. Allow the butter to melt, and in here we're also going to put some sage leaf. The Saltimbocca are going in here. And try not to make them overlap. Oh, it's already smelling so good. You see, even if we were to just cook it on this side, it's already all the way cooked through. But we're going to turn it just 1 second. Now that all our cutlets are done, we're going to put them back in here. And then we're going to do what's called sfumare. We're going to put the wine in and let it cook out. There we go. And you want to make sure to cook it out. If you guys could only smell the aroma coming out of this pan. At this point, we're going to place them all on our platter. We're going to add just a little bit of the leftover butter right in here and make a nice reduction. The leftover butter goes in. And this will be absolutely delicious. Let me check for salt. It's perfect. Doesn't need any more salt. And look at this gorgeous creaminess. It's going to be so delicious when poured on the cutlets. Let's bring them inside. Our Saltimbocca alla Romana are ready to be plated. And we're going to set them on just like so. And I think I'm going to let everybody take their own toothpick out. And now look at this reduction. This is what's going to make it incredibly delicious. And here to a wonderful classic Roman dish. Buon appetito!